Solar power is one of the fastest growing sources of renewable energy. But how is a solar power plant actually built? In this video, we will explore the complete construction process of a solar power plant from the site selection to final grid connection. The construction of solar power plant begins with site selection. Engineers choose open land with high sunlight availability, minimal shading, and easy access to the power grid. Proper site selection ensure maximum energy generation. In the feasibility study, engineers analyze solar radiation date, plant capacity, project cost, and environment impact. This study confirms whether the project is technically and economically viable. Detailed land survey and soil testing are carried out to check ground strength and alignment. These tests help engineers design a strong and stable foundation for the solar structure. Based on survey results, engineers designed the solar plant layout. This includes panel orientation, tilt angle, raw spacing, and the placement of inverters and transformer to optimize energy output. Civil construction begins with the installation of foundations and mounting structures. These structures support the solar panels and ensure the long term stability against wind and environmental conditions. Solar panels are installed on the mounting structures and connected in series and parallel. The panels convert sunlight into direct current or DC electricity. DC cables collect power from the panels and route it through junction boxes. Proper cables management and protection systems are essential for safe and efficient operation. Inverters convert DC electricity into alternating current or AC electricity, which is suitable for grid connections. Modern inverters also monitor system performance and efficiency. Transformers step up the voltage level of the generated power. The switchyard include protections and control equipment that safely connect the solar power plant to the electrical grid. Before commercial operations, the solar power plant undergoes testing and commissioning. System checks ensure safe operations, performance compliance, and successful grid synchronization. Solar power plant play a vital role in providing clean, reliable, and sustainable energy for the future.